First of all, please don't go into the kitchen unless the lady of the house invites you in. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. But if you've got water bottles or anything like that to fill, the water is drinkable. So if you do have water bottles that you want filled, just give it to her in the morning and she'll fill them. Take off your boots on the, just outside. And then usually each house will ask you to leave the boots in a particular place.
Here we are at our B&B for 2 nights. We scheduled an extra day in Tralee just to walk around. We're at Durian Teig. I hope I'm pronouncing it properly. Love B&Bs. That's one of the best parts of traveling through Ireland and doing what we're going to do. It's like being at home, and it's just a great atmosphere. This is the breakfast room. Breakfast is the only meal included on the entire trip. And we're really lucky to be in Tralee at this time because Tralee is celebrating their 800th anniversary. We're room number 5 out of the 6 rooms here, and they're booked solid tonight. Nice little bathroom. Oh goody, there's room to put toiletries and things over there. Nice shower, plenty of towels. For breakfast, Mary has a huge bowl of cut up fruit, French press coffee, yogurt. She's making a proper Irish, bacon and eggs, and cereals. Certainly not going to starve. Oh, needless to say, juice. And the very nice little bathroom. What we need is a drying room like they have on the Milford track with all these huge dryers blowing at all hours of the day and night. At Friendliest house, B&B, they have what they call sort of like a resting room where you can come in, make yourself coffee, tea, read a book. Our B&B tonight is Tiach Sin. Nice big room. I hope that we get to Dingle for 2 nights. We have a large room. 2 of us are exhausted. It was 8.5 miles. But at least it didn't rain on us. All the B&Bs are so nice. So much work that's put into them. I'm telling you, the B&Bs just keep getting prettier and prettier and prettier. It's very good. I like that. I love Kate's kitchen. Our B&B for 2 nights. Now this is what I call a B&B, De Morta's. It's gorgeous. We've got a huge room. Everybody who stays here are walkers. The sitting room for guests. You can sit inside or here and have gorgeous views of the seas. And as I said, we're here for 2 nights. I'm so glad we picked this spot. And the breakfast room. Angela is woman of the house here, and what a sweetheart. Angela De Morta. All the bathrooms are tiny, but who cares? All you need is a toilet, sink, and they all have gorgeous showers, powerful water heads. We're good. I've already tucked into my proper Irish breakfast with the tomatoes, mushrooms, eggs, bacon, cereal, breads, fruit, coffee, juice, so much.